started? It's starting right now?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello, guys. And this is the Robin action figure. Teen Titans Go. With power, action, karate, chopping, etc. So you got the nunchucks right here. Okay, nunchucks. And there goes the, I believe that's 2 staffs or something. And there goes the thing, the ring, battering, boomerang thing. And there goes the staff, the big one. And there goes the figure itself. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, here goes the figure. Yeah, and it's a pretty great figure. It's like, so it could do a little more work. Like, see around the eyes right there, got nice skin right there coming out of the black part. And then on the knees, like peeling off a little. But I really don't care. I don't mess with all that stuff. Alright. It's a nice pointy hair. Like that. Kind of looks like Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. And sorry guys, I had to switch space because some people be rude. Anyways, yeah, articulation. It's kind of stiff a little. Then it bends. Yeah, the joints are a little stiff and swivel. Same thing with that arm. And then head turn, rotation, and then kick all the way up. Not really back because the cape. I guess you can move the cape back. Can't lift the arm up on there, but you can kick up like that. Really stiff right here, but it bends. No leg. Oh, leg rotation. Right here, and then same thing on this leg, but kind of go up. Cape, kind of flimsy. Oh, there's like this little thing right here too. I'm not sure what it's for.
What's the movie with the Facebook thing, Diego?
Sorry about that. Hold on, irritating. Anyways, but I still love her. Okay, pick it on. Nunchucks. It's kind of flimsy right here. Easily break, but it's kind of bended too. I wouldn't want to recommend bending that back in place because I kind of break it. But yeah. Staff. It's neat. Yeah, and it can also hold. I don't know even know if it can hold in his hand good, but yeah, it holds in his hand good. I guess his hand's for karate chop. Like, hiya! Oh, I get it. You hold it up and it chops down like, hiya, hiya. It's cool. So that's why it barely has articulation. Okay, then they can set him down. And I'm not sure. I think these are like 2 staffs again, but I'm not really sure. These are neat looking. Yeah. Anyways, and here goes that his boomerang looking thing. Not sure if you can see that better. Okay. Yeah, okay. Nice. Little red thing. Very good detail. Oh, there's something on here. I'm not sure what that was, but anyways. Yep. Overall, I think this figure's pretty nice. Look at the face. Baby face. Baby face. Well, that's it for today, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my sister's video, what she will be doing next. See ya.